Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to our first Christmas in July top tip. I'm so excited. So if you haven't heard, all the top tips from the month of July will be Christmas gift wrapping related. That's the plan, okay? So let's hope I don't run out. So today I want to show you a cute way to jazz up your gift wrapping and make it super simple but look really homemade. So I'm going to be using my embossing folders. I love embossing folders. Y'all know this about me. I'm hooked. And I'm also going to use some little bags. Now I totally saw this on Pinterest and thought this is the cutest thing ever. So let me show you what we do. Let's start with the small one first. So as you know, I am all about the buffalo check, right? So here's the deal. If you take your little bag and you place it inside your embossing folder, see how perfectly that fits? The thing you want to do is you want to pick up a big selection of different bags. Just have a selection of these. These are like Michael's Celebrated. These are some that we have in our store, like just little paper bags. Just get yourself a selection of bags you can use. And then I'm going to use my Cuddle Bug here. And I'm just going to emboss this. Now, you could emboss it and then ink drag it. That would be super cute too. But I just want to show you how this dresses up your gift bag. So run that through our embossing. So here is our first one done, and look how cute that is. And look, it even distressed it some because the paper is printed and not actually black all the way through. She got a little distress on there, so I think that's cool. So what you would then do is open this guy up, put your gift inside, and then you'd fold down the top and finish out your gift wrapping. And look, your bag has a pattern on it that it didn't have before. Isn't that cool? You can even rough this up even more if you wanted to. Now that I see that that has it's two colors, you could take a nail file or whatever you use, a little piece of sandpaper, and you could sand this, and look, that's pretty cool right there. That's something new we didn't even realize. This may need to be its own top tip. But because this is a printed bag and not solid all the way through, look what we can do. That is really cool. Let me make sure I get the top done because that would look really good. Look at there, a whole different look. So that's one way of doing it. Let's do another bag. So let's do this one that's got a print on it. And I want to do it in this snowflake. And this is one of those bigger embossing folders. You guys probably have these. Like the first one I used was like an A2 size. This is a larger one. This is like a 5x7 size. So you put this in like this, and we're going to run it back through just like we did the other one. All right, so I'm going to run this bag through. But I did something a little different this time. I added a shim because this bag is so thin. I added just a folded over piece of cardstock in there so I could get a deeper emboss. And you may find that with your greeting card or with your greeting bags or little bags you're using. If they're very thin, you might need to add. But look at that. Isn't that adorable? I love how that turns out. And on that wood grain, it's so pretty. And then you would just open your bag, stuff your bag, fold it over, and add your embellishments. And that is a cute way to decorate or to, you know, bulk up your bags for the holiday. Isn't that cute? So there's that one. Let's do one more. Let's use the snowflake again. And I even saw when I was looking on Pinterest where some people were not going all the way down with their embossing. This was cute to me. They would maybe take the embossing almost to the bottom so it would even stop and have kind of a little area where it's not embossed. So I'm going to try that this time. So bring our Cuddle Bug back over. Our A and B plate in there. Then I'm going to put this guy in, but I'm going to let him hang off. I really don't need him to go any further than the flap because I don't want this to emboss all the way down. And then without a shim this time, because this bag is thicker, I'm just going to add that B plate and roll that through. And when it gets to that little edge, I'm going to back it up and do it again. And then we take this one out and check that out. It is so cute. And I like it even stopping toward the bottom. So when you open this bag up, you can see here that it doesn't go all the way down, but it's really cute. And so when you fold this over, look how cute that is. So there you go, guys, our first holiday top tip. I think it's a great one. And in a future top tip video, I'm going to show you how I would close these up and how I would decorate them for that as well. I hope you're going to enjoy our Christmas theme top tips. I'm going to do gift wrapping theme all throughout the month. So they'll just be little quick tips about gift wrapping. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Once we reach 100,000 subscribers, we're giving away an electronic cutting machine of their winner's choice, either a maker, a silhouette, or a Brother Scan and Cut. The winner can choose. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when we do our top tips. We actually do them on Mondays and Fridays at noon, but by hitting that notification bell, you can have them brought to your inbox. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.